Hello, in front of me I've got EPOS H6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to remove Earcups. Firstly, take a look at your earcups. In order to remove it, simply pull it like this. To reattach it, simply push it again. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.